Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a review of a car seat protector. If you like keeping your car value high and just having a nice interior, having one of these seat protectors in your car is a no-brainer. You want to protect it from discoloration, water, car seats, baby car seats, booster seats. Sometimes they give indentations, discoloration, and sometimes rips with the in and out and abuse a car seat takes on your interior seats.
So installation is pretty straightforward. You just unwrap it and it comes with a convenient stabilizing wedge. You unhook the adjustable strap and just wrap it around the headrest. Has a 7mm thick foam padding inside for better protection, along with PVC reinforced corners. Rubberized backing prevents slipping and sliding in the seat. Looks and feels well made with stitching all along the edges. It also has 2 mesh storage pockets that are big enough for most things that you want to keep in your car, and keeps it down low, out of sight. Another nice feature is the seatbelt slots have very easy access to them, and they fit most auto seats. It blends in pretty nice with mostly any interior. When not in use, you could easily fold it up and secure it nice and tight with the headrest strap. Now this is a seat protector, it's not a seat cushion, but yet it was very comfortable and almost non-noticeable when sitting in the car. So you don't really have to rip it out if you're going to throw some passengers in for a quick trip. Now here's a little demonstration of its waterproof textured surface. They say it prevents stains and slippage, and water spills are easily cleaned up. Now with these seat protectors added to your vehicle, you can have confidence that you're protecting your seats when you're dumping your junk in the back. Now for a reasonable price, you're protecting your seats and preserving the condition and integrity of your car's upholstery. Now it's time to go hit the tennis courts. Thanks for checking it out. Like and subscribe. See you later.